Hi, I'm Lisa Sturman. I'm the principal at Radcliff Elementary. We had an amazing turnout at open house tonight. We got to see so many of our new parents, so many of our old parents, or veteran parents as we like to call them. Our staff has done an amazing job getting ready. We are so excited for this upcoming school year. We cannot wait to see the growth in our kids.
Good evening, my name is Craig Buchanan. I'm the Family Resource Coordinator here at Radcliff Elementary. Tonight we have our open house. We have all our brochures and things we got going on in our center this year. Information about school supplies, counseling, clothing, and just a little bit about what all we have coming up for the upcoming school year. It's going to be a great year. Look forward to meeting with students and families, and if you need anything, feel free to call me at 270-352-3352. Thank you and have a good evening.
I'm Mary Thal, and this is Barbara Rhodes, and we are doing the car rider table. These are for students that get picked up every day after school, and they're assigned a car tag, and that's how they're dismissed in the afternoon. So we've been assigning those tonight to families.
Hello, I'm Daryl Smallwood with the Hardin County Transportation, and we're here at Radcliff Elementary, and we're here to verify the students' buses for this school year. We're looking forward to having all the students out safe and be looking forward to seeing them out there.
Great. And then they can go online and look up routes and things. And if they have any questions, they can call 270-769-8890.
Hi, my name is Tanya. I'm one of the drivers from Radcliff Elementary. Our first week, it's going to be hectic, and it's going to be very confusing for a lot of people. So when you see a bus out there, please be careful. There's going to be a lot of kids, and we want them to go home safe, come to school safe. So please just slow down, give us a chance to get everything sorted out so that everything is good.